In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the ERR connection timed out in Google Chrome. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now this happens when Google Chrome tries to load a web page, but the target server takes too long to respond. This breakdown means your network stack, local browser cache, or DNS routing has stalled, and you can clear these communication blocks and restore your browser connection layout in under 75 seconds using these rapid fixes. So what you want to do is clear Chrome's internal prediction data. What you want to do is open up Google Chrome. So I'm just going to open mine up right now, and then go ahead and click Control-Shift-Delete on your keyboard to instantly jump to the Clear Browsing Data tab. So once you go ahead and click that, it's going to look something like this. And then all you want to do is change the time range drop down to all time. And then check the boxes next to cookies and other site data, and then click the clear blue clear button, clear data button utility. And this strips away corrupt offline cookies and forces Chrome to fetch a brand new live layout version of the site. Now, what you can also do is close out of Chrome entirely, then go over to search, type in CMD, and then run it as administrator. And then you want to do the following commands. So the first command you want to do is ipconfig and to flush the DNS. Then all you want to do is do IP reset, and then do WinSock reset as the final one, like so. You can just pause this and copy it if you need to. Restart your PC and then open Google Chrome and you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.